Hi there. How's it going? Don't you think nature's beautiful? Of course, I'm not really doing it any justice with this, sunflower. But I mean, this is my first attempt at some pyrography. Sure, it won't be pretty, but it doesn't hurt to try. How will any of us get better if we don't try? So, first off, when doing pyrography, try saying that 50 million times in a row. Or, maybe just say it once, or not at all, that's fine. Anyway, when doing any sort of wood burning, you gotta start off with some kind of, drawing. To get some sort of basis of what you're doing, so you don't rush in blindly. It's always good to have some sort of plan, in anything you do. But hey, if you're the kind of person that just likes to see what happens, more power to you. So after the drawing, as you can see, I started outlining the picture. I couldn't really figure out a decent way to outline until halfway through it all, and by then I didn't really want to start over, so I just kept going. After that, I started stippling the head of the flower, and man, did that take forever. I hate stippling, you know that? It takes so much time, and your hand hurts after a while, which sucks. Especially with this pyrography pen, it gets so hot, the handle starts to heat up. So you'll probably see my hand slowly shifting towards the back end of the pen, where it's cooler. Anyway, I went over it a couple of times until it got dark enough, for contrast and so it doesn't look so ugly and flat. I think I might have overdone it though. But hey, we all make mistakes. I know I do. When you stipple with this pen, it doesn't just toast the surface, it actually burns through the wood. So you end up with a little indent where you hit with the nib, and since the nib I have isn't super fine, it was hard to get in between the spaces I made, so I lightly went over the blank spots with the heated nib, not to stipple, but just to heat up the wood enough so it darkened a little bit and filled the rest in. Finally, after that torture, I changed the nib out again for a flatter one, which let me shade, or attempt to shade. Just like the outline, at the beginning I really didn't know what I was doing, and yes, I do realize I was shading the wrong way. But I fixed it. Kind of. The whole thing looks a lot better if you squint. And looks the best when you close your eyes. But whatever, at least I had fun doing it. Would you look at that? The video's about to end. I guess I'll talk to you later. Man, this is really a one-sided conversation, don't you think? Actually, don't answer that.